How to set a live wallpaper on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a live wallpaper on your iPhone to give your lock screen a moving, dynamic look. Just stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. Alright, first open up your settings. Scroll down until you find wallpaper. Tap on that. And then tap Add New Wallpaper. Now at the top, you'll see an option for live photos. If it doesn't show up right away, just tap Photos. And go to All, then find and select the live photo you want to use. You'll know it's a live photo if you see the live icon in the corner. Once the photo is selected, look at the bottom left and make sure live photo is actually turned on. It'll show a little animation icon. If it's off, tap it to activate the motion. Now just tap Add in the top right corner and choose Set as Lock Screen. Unfortunately, live wallpapers only animate on the lock screen, not the home screen. Once it's set, lock your phone, and when you long press on the lock screen, the wallpaper will move. And that's how you add a live wallpaper on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.